On this set, because there was such a सबका मालिक एक है feeling about Bhansali साहब, nobody was messing with anyone else. जब भी सरकार कोई बदलती है, सबसे पहला काम वो कोई जंगल काट रहे होते हैं. Why? वूम्ब में सनडांस घुमा है और हीरा मंडी प्रमोट कर रहा है और the fetus is having a great fetus of the year. Fetus of the year time.
रिचा चड्डा हेलो
Hello.
बैंगनी रंग दोनों ने पहना हुआ है आज.
So nice to see you after Park City, freezing Park City.
सन डांस.
Yes, sun dance में अब हम सन में ही डांस कर रहे हैं.
जहाँ पे हमारी फिल्म 2 अवार्ड जीत कर आई है.
Yes, I love that you're calling it हमारी film.
फेल्ट लाइक हमारी फिल्म ना.
Yes.
एक तो मतलब क्योंकि हमने और आपके जो डायरेक्टर है शुचि, हम लोग ने बहुत चिल किया वहाँ पर.
Yes.
फिल्म देखी, डिस्कस किया बाद में. उसके बाद मैं शुचि से बर्लिन में भी मिली और अब मैं न्यूयॉर्क जाऊंगी तो मैं वहाँ भी
उससे
मिलूंगी.
मिलती रहना. She's a
तो मैं अभी
real
दोस्त
fine.
चुरा रही हूँ बाय द वे.
चुरा लो.
हाँ, I'm stealing your
Please.
friend.
It'll be lovely.
For those who don't know, we are talking about Girls Will Be Girls, जो भी फिल्म सनडांस में प्रीमियर हुई है. That's रिचा एंड अली's फर्स्ट प्रोडक्शन एंड प्रीमियर होने के साथ साथ 2 अवार्ड्स जीते सनडांस फिल्म फेस्टिवल में, which is
Yes.
एक तो गेटिंग इनटू सनडांस इज एन अवार्ड इनटू इटसेल्फ.
Yeah.
फिर बेस्ट एक्टर एंड बेस्ट फिल्म ऑडियंस
Audience.
चॉइस.
Yeah.
अमेजिंग.
Amazing. I'm so proud of it. It'll hopefully release this year in India as well. So
थिएट्रिकली.
theatrical or streamer, limited theatrical or streamer, like I'm in conversations for those things. But
रेडार पे रखिए गर्ल्स विल बी
the
गर्ल्स.
promotions have kept me busy, so some of those conversations have taken a back seat because I have to change the gear and become full producer for that one.
या एंड वी हैव अदर थिंग्स आल्सो गोइंग ऑन राइट
Yes, other productions.
एक होम प्रोडक्शन अलग चल रही है.
Home production चल रही है.
मुझे ये बताओ अभी आजकल जब मैं बॉम्बे आती हूँ लोगों से मिलती हूँ, डू यू रिमेंबर हम सबसे पहली बार कब मिले थे?
यस हम सबसे पहली बार मिले थे. आप आरजे थी उस वक्त किसी ब्लू कलर के फॉन्ट वाले रेडियो स्टेशन में और हम गैंग्स ऑफ वासीपुर का ऑडियो प्रमोशन करने आए थे. करेक्ट.
दैट्स द फर्स्ट टाइम.
तब हमारी कुछ बात हुई थी कि मैं यूपी से हूँ और आपने एक्सेंट करेक्ट पकड़ा है. फिर उसके बाद एक और इंटरव्यू हुआ था मसान का जिसमें मैं रोने लग गई थी.
You remember that?
Yes, because I'm such a, and I want to say I'm not always hormonal. मतलब it's just I cry easily.
I also remember वो क्वेश्चन क्या था.
क्या?
आप और नीरज आए थे मसान के
Yes.
बाद कैन से. तो आई वाज लाइक कैन में फिल्म गई, जीती फिल्म. पर अभी आप जब इंडिया आ गए हो वापस, हाउ डिफिकल्ट और इजी इट इज फॉर यू टू से नो टू थिंग्स बिकॉज द वे यू आर चूजिंग योर प्रोजेक्ट यू केयरफुली सेइंग यस, पर नो कहना कितना मुश्किल होता है. आई थिंक दैट ट्रिगर्ड समथिंग इनसाइड यू.
Yeah, because by that time I'd said no to so much work which had me, and the thing is I still meet those people and they're asking me for jobs now, but most of them were like at that time कि अरे आप इंडी रह जाओगी. Here's a raunchy lesbo fest for you to feature and for you to change your image after gangs.
Yeah.
Here's something for you to do, and it was often like ईमान हिलाने वाला पैसा. So I was very like I was like I'm living on rent. I came here in my little I-10 and choices.
Yeah,
Yeah.
no, I remember again.
Not to say I haven't made mistakes, but
Yeah.
like I never set out to make a mistake.
Yeah, no,
The
nobody
intent
does.
was good.
Yeah. Well, I remember gangs ke time par the clothes and all that you were wearing on the red carpet were not couture. They were
No.
not big stylist names that were just being handed to you because ek to you were
No.
part of this big ensemble cast.
Yeah.
People had only seen you play Dolly, chota
Yeah.
sa role.
No, Sucharita was so naive. I never asked for hair and makeup when I was
खुद.
going for promotions because I thought कि
Self.
ये लोग कैसे इतने सुंदर लग रहे हैं. Later after 1.5 महीना I realized oh no this is actually, so I'm saying not having proper management, didn't have a proper PR. So those are the things I'm really grateful for. When people say nepotism, I think वो ये सारी चीज़ें भूल जाते हैं that अगर आपकी मम्मी टीचर है तो आपको नहीं naturally ये सारी चीज़ें पता होती हैं
कि हेयर कैसे होता है, मेकअप कैसे होता है, ऑन कैमरा मेकअप क्या होता है, ऑफ कैमरा मेकअप क्या
प्रमोशंस
होता
के
है,
लिए मेकअप हेयर डिमांड किया जा सकता है.
कौन
ये
लोग
सारी-
हैं जिनको फोन कर सकते हो आप, ये सारी की सारी
Exactly.
चीजें. दिस इज व्हाट नेपोटिज्म रियली इज.
Actually.
The thing that surrounds the role that you've
The
been given.
ecosystem where
Yes.
you have advisors, you have people who can help you. I mean, I'm not ashamed to say I didn't have the best time on that promotional tour or even on that film, but I think these are all lessons. And my biggest lesson was when like Preeti and Keshav from Girls Will Be Girls are getting ready for like Sundance. I have to first tell them. One of my first emails to them was, guys, there's no red carpet. don't get your hopes up, but whatever you wear, show me, I will approve. And they were like nicely trying their clothes in the house and
Yeah.
showing us.
And they are getting recognized in the streets in Sundance क्योंकि उनके एक स्क्रीनिंग के बाद लोगों ने उनको पहचाना शुरू कर दिया because प्रीति पानीग्रे जो उनकी लीड एक्ट्रेस हैं is so good.
Yeah.
She's so good, and that's how she's won the award also.
She's
so.
a find.
She's amazing.
She's a
I
find.
want everyone to watch out for her. But ये आपको चमका कब कि ये सब करना पड़ेगा और अब स्टाइलिस्ट टीम भी लगेगी, मेकअप टीम भी
I
लगेगी?
think उसके बाद gangs के बाद
Gangs के बाद.
when Fukre started happening, I still didn't have like hair makeup for promotions, I think, but what I did have was like a stylist. I think that's what happened, yeah.
Yeah.
But then it was also Excel, like, so you know they were
वो फिल्म ही
concerned
बड़ी
about,
production थी.
हाँ.
This question, sorry, it's a personal question, has come from my husband. Okay.
Okay.
So, he wants to know two things: what you are most excited about this child that's coming, that's on the way, and what you're most scared about. You and Ali both. क्योंकि वो ख्याली पुलाव वो अपने पका रहा है लाइफ में. फैमिली करेंगे हम भी.
हाँ, बहन हो ही जाता है, पता नहीं चलता. If you have a healthy relationship.
Yes, very much so. Thank you भगवान. But क्या सबसे आप scary चीज़ है और क्या सबसे ज़्यादा exciting चीज़ है इस वक्त दिमाग में?
मैं तो I don't know about Ali, what like he's afraid of. My fears are very global. My fears is basically with respect to climate change first. Because we keep ignoring it, but जब भी सरकार कोई बदलती है सबसे पहला काम वो कोई जंगल काट रहे होते हैं. Why? India is going through the worst heat wave right now, and we've lost the most amount of forest cover in the last 30 years as compared to any other country in the world. There's a graph and a visual for it also. And with such a big population, I see like अभी हम जहाँ बैठे हैं, this is also an expensive place, but the residents here would not sit down and have a conversation about proper rainwater harvesting, which is a one-time cost, and this is a monsoon city. We are going to
तो
be hit with the
आसान है
monsoon.
यहाँ पे करना.
आसान है, but they don't mind paying for the tankers and cribbing about paying for the tankers. उस पानी में एक किस्म का टेस्ट आता है. तो मुझे तो समझ नहीं आता कि हमारे देश से ये मतलब सत्या नडेला टाइप के लोग बाहर जाके काम कर रहे हैं, पर वी डोंट हैव कॉमन सेंस टू fix what is important.
Yeah.
We have carcinogens in our food, in our soil.
मसालों में.
दिल्ली का एक ही हुआ है, मैं पली बड़ी हूँ वहाँ पे. It used to be clean, green air.
तारे दिखते थे रात को जब हम स्कूल जाते थे शाम को.
I was studying then. Sheila Dikshit was the chief minister, and this is not about politics, but the forest cover grew 300%, and we could feel it. There was like monkeys and deer around Ridge Road near St. Stephen's College. It's just क्या हमें हर चीज़ को बंजर, बीहड़ और डस्टी और गंदा करके छोड़ने की आदत है? क्यों? अभी बीच पे जाएंगे इतना कचरा पड़ा होगा. So climate change and of course the growth of autocracies all over the world. You know, WhatsApp almost quitting India, TikTok being banned in the US now, and other things like that, and of course the genocide. So my worries are very global.
No, oh my God. And what is it that you are very excited about?
I'm excited in general to see what Ali Fazal and Richa Chadha can potentially create together.
So sweet.
And making it in my body is kind of really
wild.
sweet. Yeah, and I also think like maybe I mean of course we found out quite late, but ये वूम्ब में सनडांस घुमा है और हीरा मंडी प्रमोट कर रहा है और you know the fetus is having a great fetus of the year fetus of the year time.
Amazing. And now fetus will be ready, girls will be girls. जब release के लिए तैयार होगी तो one little बच्चा will also be.
Yes, hopefully. A few month-old बच्चा hopefully by then.
How cute.
Yeah.
So cute. Lovely. But एक चीज़ जो बहुत ज़्यादा लोग बात नहीं करते इसके बारे में, मुझे पता नहीं क्यों, but you trained in Kathak for 10 years, right?
Yeah.
10 साल. और कब से कब तक आपने वो किया?
From the age of 6 to 16.
और मुझे पता कब पता चला जब वो कैबरे एक फिल्म जब अनाउंस हुई थी, उसमें जब आपका गाना था घुंघरू टूट गए, उसका वीडियो मैंने देखा ऐसे रिचा कैन डांस. ये तो
उसमें तो कथक था भी नहीं,
पर डांस तो था, वो देख के पता चल जाता था यू कैन डांस. तो भी हीरा मंडी में एक तो गाना है जो मैंने देखा है आपका सोलो सॉन्ग हीरा मंडी में, एक गाना करने मिला लंबा चौड़ा.
हाँ लंबा चौड़ा, but it's more emotive than dance. But the thing is कि I never pursued, and also there was no scope for dance in the films that I was doing. कैसे आई थिंक मैंने एक मैडम चीफ मिनिस्टर में एक डांसिंग शॉट भी दिया था, बट आई मेड इट डिलिबरेटली रियली बैड एंड ऑफ की, लाइक अ
कि निकाल ही दे
ड्रंक अंकल एट अ पार्टी। नहीं, क्योंकि वो किरदार जो बाइक से जा रहा है और
उसको
जो
डांस करना
सलमान
नहीं
खान का
आता है।
ब्रेसलेट पहन रहा है, वो नहीं डांस करेगा। तो डांस भी करेगा तो ऑफ करेगा, एंड दैट्स द हार्डेस्ट थिंग टू डू फॉर समवन हु इज ट्रेन्ड, नो,
Who knows how to dance?
ब्रेक रिदम।
To pretend how to dance badly. But tell me about your dance number in Hira Mandi. Dance number, quote unquote.
I just call it a performance piece actually, because if you've seen it, it's really like I
Yeah.
wanted to go there, and it's a bit difficult because I played drunk in Oye Lucky, my first film.
Yeah.
I did Idhar Udhar Ka Kaam and other things also, but to be drunk
Yeah.
and to dance and then to lip sync with that sort of nasha and abandon
Yeah.
and tears was very difficult.
Yeah.
That song took a lot out of me, especially like the breakdown you see in the last shot of the song is very, very real. And I'm very happy because in most of, I think there were 6 halls, 4 का तो confirm मुझे पता है वहाँ पे spontaneous applause हुआ था।
हाँ क्या?
हाँ,
Hey?
I have witnesses also because मुझे डर था कि कोई मानेगा नहीं, but वहाँ तालियाँ बजी थी यार।
Amazing.
हाँ।
I love that scene. और ये इंटरव्यू हम हीरा मंडी के रिलीज के बाद ही रिलीज करेंगे कुछ दिनों के बाद, बट वो जो आपका गाने में वो जो हंसती है ना अला, जो एंड में when Manisha Koirala comes in and gives her the choice, I think in that moment that decide
say
what you want to
goodbye,
do,
yeah.
and she laughs and walks away. Ah,
Yeah.
devastating.
Yeah, because
Devastating.
I wanted that gravity to come through, where that like these women are judged, used, abused, judged, and then who are you to judge her? In this case, it becomes very like deliberately obvious, like literally, who are you to judge her? But otherwise, also, So this, I wanted that humiliation and then that little bit of sarcastic, oh my god, this is such a big joke the universe has played kind of thing.
She's really nice. She has my heart.
Yeah.
मैं सुहानी सिंह का आपका इंटरव्यू पढ़ रही थी अभी, और
Oh,
उसमें
आ
आपने
गया? अच्छा,
हाँ वो आ गया, उसमें आपने बोला कि आप you're happy that you got this part where you're not playing a savior, where you're saying कि मतलब मैं नई दुनिया बदलने वाली हूँ, मैं है ये बेचारी।
मैंने ठेका ले रखा है, मैं पागल हो जाती हूँ यार। कोई भी मतलब there was a point, मतलब I don't even let me go there. But the thing is, yeah, I mean, let other people.
कि आप
also know.
पिजन होल हो रहे थे उन रोल्स में।
पिजन होल भी हो रही थी, and then audience is like, अच्छा अभी आ गई, अब एक मुक्का मारेगी, I mean, an actor should be able to explore different things.
Yeah.
And like I said, I was offered another part in this show before, but again it would not have been surprising. There will be a lot of chatter about screen time, the choice of this character's exit, etc. But those should be addressed to Mr. Bhansali, not to me,
Yeah.
or to Moeen Beg, the creator.
Yeah.
But I consciously wanted to do something which would, change it for me. What, like, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
एक अपनी रेंज दिखाने का भी तो मौका होता है ना, लाइक वी आर स्टडिंग एक्टिंग, उसमें 9 रस हैं और हम 2 रस में अटक गए। Come on, it's not fun.
But the promotions of the show have been really fun to watch. कि मिस वर्ल्ड पे चल रहे हैं, स्टेज रैंप वॉक कर रहे हैं वहाँ पे, वो
Yeah.
पहन के रिम्पल और
हाँ.
हरप्रीत के कपड़े खूबसूरत।
हाँ.
So has that been fun? Has this been fun for you, the promotional tour of the film?
Yeah, it's
Beautiful
fun.
clothes and everything.
Beautiful clothes and beautiful jewelry, all real, and even Rimple and her, all of the jewelry is real.
मतलब करोड़ों का मटेरियल।
मतलब कि मैं वो पहन के भाग जाती तो अपने एक और पिक्चर बना देती, अगर सारी क्यूमुलेटिव ज्वेलरी पहन के भाग जाती।
एक और इंडी फिल्म बना देते फेस्टिवल के लिए।
इंडी फिल्म बना देती।
But it's been fun for you doing the Hira Mandi promotions.
Yeah.
Really, I mean, it's been really good to see all these incredible actresses together,
Yeah.
going to events together, dressing up together.
Yeah.
Just, एक narrative रहता है that actresses together नहीं, they don't get along and all that BS,
Yeah.
and that obviously is
No, honestly,
BS.
like you don't have to get along with everyone you work with. First
Yeah.
thing, वो ज़रूरी नहीं होता. Second thing, you don't always get along. also.
Yeah.
But I don't think it's different for men. Like,
Yeah.
if you read stories कि अच्छा ये 2 hero project launch होने वाला है, कितने बनते हैं? Think about it.
correct. People getting together and not getting along is not a gendered thing. It's a
Yeah.
human thing.
It's a human
I
thing.
can dislike anyone I want.
I felt like on this set that because there was such a सबका मालिक एक है feeling about Bhansali Saab, nobody was messing with anyone else.
Everyone's like, sir, what?
Yeah.
So tell me what it is like working with him, because he's one of the very few creators, filmmakers, storytellers in India who makes art for the sake of making art. He brings that music, he'll bring that dance form.
Actually, in that sense, he's a man on a mission. Like I'll give it a little anecdotal example. This song the solo song that you keep talking about, उसके 10-15 दिन बाद मेरी शादी थी. तो he was asking कि अच्छा लखनऊ में है तो आप क्या पहनेंगी, अच्छा ठीक है ट्रेडिशनल, और फिर अच्छा वहाँ का कुछ पहनेंगी, अच्छा ठीक है, पर परफॉर्म कौन करेगा. तो I was like, सर मैंने कव्वाली वाले बुलाए हैं. तो he was like, शाबाश, वरना उनको कौन पूछता है. He was like, if everything is about Bollywood, and he's made some of the most iconic Bollywood songs, क्योंकि we are losing some things that are very typical to our culture, which the next generation will not have.
Probably not remember.
Even because people like you and me are so urban and so disconnected.
Yeah.
Like पहले शादियों में शहनाई बजती थी, वो शहनाई बजाने वाले कहाँ गए?
Correct.
So these are things he thinks of. And when he has to choreograph for Kathak, he's getting one choreographer who's done films and understands shot taking and all, but he's also getting someone like Vijay Shree Chaudhary, who's Birju Maharaj's student, who knows Kathak, who's going to give an accurate कि ऐसे नज़र उठाओ वगैरह, वो सारी चीज़ें these are art forms refined over centuries.
So did you have that on the set?
Yes, I did.
How lovely.
Yeah, it was lovely and it was it's beautiful.
And there's one big song where all of you are there also, Sakalban.
Yeah.
Which is so nice. I'm obsessed with how it's shot.
उसके भी मैं वो देख रही थी comments कुछ when it first released, because it's the first thing to come out. उसमें नीचे लगा था रिचा चड्ढा can dance. Usually तो बहुत मर्दाना रोल करती है. I cracked up.
वही तो मैं कह रही हूँ,
मतलब
people don't talk about it enough because we've not seen you do the dance movements,
the typical stuff.
The typical dance stuff.
Yeah.
Like Cabaret, I remember वो फिल्म आई या नहीं आई वो नहीं मुझे पता.
आई थी eventually.
पर वो गुलशन देवैया आपको बैठ के ऐसे ऐसे देख रहे हैं और आप ऐसे ऐसे टक 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 टक. It's really cute. I enjoyed it very much and I watched it when it first came out. Now, दो actors लाइफ में उस मोमेंट पे कब पहुंचते हैं जब उनको लगता है कि अब हमें प्रोड्यूसर बनना पड़ेगा? क्या होता है ऐसा?
I think this was fated.
Pushing buttons.
Because we'd both been wanting to do. See, first though, Shuchi and I go back a long way. We'd already submitted the script to NFDC and all that.
उसकी कहानी आपने मुझे इंटरव्यू में बताई थी
हाँ,
लास्ट टाइम. It was very cute.
हाँ, तो कमली प्रोडक्शंस को थोड़ा फॉर्मलाइज करना था. कमली मेरी बिल्ली का नाम है. और उसके बाद I just wanted like we, and the thing is, around the time that things were starting to heat up, COVID hit. So we had a lot of time. We had time to think about what we wanted to do, come up with a name and like just jam, and we did all that because और जो सरकारी काम है जिनमें ज़्यादा वक्त लगता है, like GST registration, ये company registration, वो उस दौरान हो गए. So we were kind of lucky. And producer बनना कब ज़रूरी लगता है? जब आपको दिखता है कि आपने you've put your life and soul in a project and someone's either not promoting it or not marketing it properly, or it doesn't have the right number of shows. I'm not saying I'm going to change the industry, but at least the stuff that we produce,
you can have some more control over it.
और दूसरी तरफ से भी होगा control, like just not like how to guide the actors to be prepared for the press, how to do a cool press junket, how to, why not?
So is it the kind of stuff that you didn't have when you were starting out?
Yes,
वो
definitely.
guidance?
Definitely the kind of stuff I didn't have. I'm not saying I'm going to pander.
Yeah.
I'm not saying that everyone will get huge per days to be stylists on a show on which there's no need for them.
Yeah.
But I'm saying that we'll at least have good quality writers, editors, BTS people who are really talented. There's so many. Look at the year India's having, at Cannes. I'm guessing तुम जाओगी वहाँ पे. हाँ, of course. तो क्या मतलब, look at the year Kanni is having after Sundance. My God.
इंटरव्यू करा दो, आपकी तो फ्रेंड है, मेरे को मिलना है. पायल कपाड़िया की फिल्म.
Recluse Kanni is, but just I'm jealous of her talent and even her beauty. She's beautiful.
Incredible achievement that she's going to walk that red carpet in the most legit fashion there can be.
I hope she goes. That's my worry. because she's so shy.
हाय हाय, ऐतिहासिक मोमेंट है, 30 सालों में पहली बार कोई फिल्म पाम डे और के लिए compete कर रही है, इसमें शर्माना नहीं है.
No, she's personally shy,
हाँ,
but
but don't be shy यार.
look at how everything she
brainwash her a
does,
little bit.
she's so good in, whether it's that role in Maharani or in
Yeah.
Poacher or
Yeah.
or in Killer Soup.
Yeah, she's Kani Kusruti. If again, that's another name that you need to keep an eye out for. Girls Will Be Girls में देखिएगा उन्हें. She plays the mother, and she's also in Payal Kapadia's next film that's going to Cannes and so much other stuff.
Yeah.
So yeah, no, क्या बात कर रहे थे हम, तो कनी के फैंडम में घुस गए.
पर ऐसे ही होना चाहिए, अच्छे लोगों को सेलिब्रेट करना
बिल्कुल.
चाहिए.
तो इसलिए अब आप प्रोड्यूसर बन गई हैं अच्छे
जी,
लोगों को सेलिब्रेट
बिल्कुल.
करने के लिए, अच्छी
Yes.
फिल्में बनाने के लिए. पर अच्छा, आपके रोल्स डिफाइंड है आपके और अली के, या यू आर वर्किंग एज अ यूनिट एट दिस पॉइंट?
एक्चुअली इज़ वेरी सिंपल. कुछ अच्छा लगता है और किसी पे कोई डेवलपमेंट होती है तो हम उसका एक व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप बनाते हैं, उसमें 2 और लोग जुड़ते हैं जो हमारी कंपनी के साथ फ्रीलांसर्स हैं. एंड दैट्स हाउ इट्स अ वेरी लीन टीम राइट नाउ. देयर इज जस्ट 3-4 of us, and not all of us full time also, but you know, things in production take time, so we're just taking it slow. I don't want large overheads. I don't want to do stupid things like promise the moon and the sun and
Yeah.
start a 100 crore show when I don't have bandwidth for
Yeah,
it yet.
yeah.
Yet. So it's gonna be baby steps.
Yeah.
Plus, we are both readers. We both like literature and cinema. So I'm guessing we'll come up with interesting things.
Yeah.
You know, not defined by just festival or whatever. हो सकता है next चीज़ जो हम करें वो घातक commercial हो, पर उसमें taste होगा, उसमें मज़ा होगा.
घातक कमर्शियल होने में कोई दिक्कत नहीं है.
नहीं
जब
है,
मतलब
पर मज़ेदार होना
ये एक
चाहिए.
परसेप्शन बड़ी गलत है लोगों की कि अगर कमर्शियल फिल्म है तो वो अच्छी नहीं होगी, और
हाँ.
अगर इंडी है तो भी अच्छी हो सकती है वो.
हाँ, और इंडी के नाम पे जो लोग गरीब पिक्चर बना के बेच भी देते हैं कि वाओ हार्ड रेंडिंग. प्लीज पकाओ मत यार.
व्हाट इज योर स्लेट लुकिंग लाइक एट योर प्रोडक्शन हाउस पुशिंग बटन्स?
Currently, we are working on a few things. Like one, I don't know, there was a slate release thing we did with a very few bunch of journalists who live here, not so Charita. But anyway, अच्छा है.
मैं यूएस जाकर तुम्हारी दोस्त चुरा रही हूँ,
चुराओ. एलए में भी 2-3 नाम तुम्हें दे दूंगी, वहाँ पे
क्योंकि
भी
मुझे
चुरा
वहाँ
लेना.
पर अब फिल्मी दोस्त बनाने हैं.
बनाओ, बिल्कुल बनाओ, यही तो टाइम है.
Yes.
So one film is called Papita, which is about a photographer called Porus Bisht. He is afflicted with a really terrible squint, and that kind of parallax defines how he looks at the world. He is a photographer, but he works as a paparazzi in between Bombay to Goregaon, Bandra to Goregaon. But his ambition is to be an artistic photographer that, you know, displays their work in galleries, and through that we are looking at the ecosystem of our film industry. So it's
Love that.
terribly
And this is the
interesting.
one that Akash Bhatia is directing.
Yes.
Love
So,
it.
first thing I mentioned, please उसको बताना. और बाकी there's a long bureaucratic kind of thriller show in the offing that has gone through multiple drafts. There's a show about journalists in B-Town, India, the
Okay.
Mufassil journalists. Then there's a really lively musical comedy called Pinky Promise about two rival Jagrata Mandalis in North India. And there's an adult animation show, but because all of these are very unusual, where like it's taking longer
Yeah.
than expected,
I can
but
show
that
that
is something that all producers will tell you.
Yeah. Very nice.
Huh.
It's very excited to see all of this.
Yeah, it's exciting.
I was very happy to hear that Akash is doing his film with you, because
Yes.
I loved Loop Lapeta, and him and I came to Bombay साथ में दिल्ली से, हम same class में थे.
अच्छा.
Xavier's में.
Akash is just a fun chap because he
बहुत
directed
talented है
Inside
वो.
Edge season 2.
हाँ, और talented बहुत है, उसका
बहुत
vision बहुत
talented
अच्छा है. Lastly मुझे ये बताएं कि जब आप सेट पे होते हो, मूवी कर रहे हो, शो कर रहे हो, एड कर रहे हो, जो भी कर रहे हो, विचारात्मक तौर पे जब सामने वाले से आपकी नहीं बनती है,
हाँ.
when you're co-actor हो या डायरेक्टर हो या राइटर हो, cinematographer हो, whatever, at this point where we are right now in the nation, in the world, how is it that you're navigating that you're
See,
not
in my
aligned but you have to
defense,
work together?
in a sense that the really vocal mouthpieces I have worked with before, I thought it completely unraveled. When at least publicly, and at that point in time there was maybe hints of that, you know. और अपने आसपास हमेशा लोग होते हैं जो बोलते हैं अरे ये तो इज जस्ट बिजनेस, इट्स जस्ट अरे वो उसका पर्सनल ओपिनियन है,
हाँ.
अरे वो तो ऐसे थोड़ा अभी अपॉर्चुनिस्टिक है, अपॉर्चुनिस्टिक सबको होना चाहिए बॉलीवुड में, ऐसा सब। तो उस टाइम पे आप बस ऑब्जर्व कर रहे होते हो कि क्या क्या है या नहीं है या कुछ, तो अपना काम करके निकल जाते हो। बट लाइक आई सेड, you do not and will not have to get along with everyone you work with. It's a working atmosphere at the end of the day. uh, Having said that, if I'm creating something that is coming from my house, my office, my people, then it's unlikely that I will knock on those doors.
Yeah. I
For
find,
sure, because I cannot take the mentally handle it,
yeah.
and I can't fathom it.
Yeah.
And I don't want to look back on this era when it's all over, and it will be over one day. That's just how it works. I don't want to look back at this and be like, I contributed to this in
Yeah.
some way.
Yeah.
That's just not gonna
Yeah.
work for me.
Like, where were you? What were you saying when we look back at this 10
I'm saying
years
the
from
right
now?
things and doing the correct things
On
and
the
living
right side.
ethically and
Yeah.
sleeping well at night.
Congratulations on all the incredible stuff.
Thank you.
Hera Mandi mein my favorite character is Lajjo. I've
Thank
told you this
you.
off the record, but on the record I will say this also.
Thank you. Really.
It's facts.
Thank you.
Facts. Otherwise, you know, one-on-one interview करने के लिए that was a great place to start, and I'm so glad that I got to hang with you today.
Thank you.
And
Thank
congrats
you.
on all the good stuff coming up, and tell Ali I said hi.
Yes. So you probably say hi to him in New York sooner
Ha,
than.
tell me what his plans are, I'll go see him.
Yes, go and see him.
Okay.
And this is Sucharita. We're wrapping up now. This is not a movie review.
हाय वो ज़माने गए.
अच्छा ठीक है.
अब हम सिर्फ मूवी रिव्यू करते हैं.
पहली बात तो बधाई हो तुमको कि तुम्हारा चैनल तुम्हें वापस मिल गया.
थैंक यू. जो भी दुनिया में मेरी रक्षा कर रहे हैं ऊपर से थैंक यू वेरी मच. नहीं, यूट्यूब इंडिया वाज एक्चुअली रियली गुड अबाउट इट.
Yeah, of course.
दे वर वेरी गुड अबाउट इट. दे गॉट ऑन इट. उनको बहुत सारे लोगों ने मैसेज कर दिया. दे गॉट ऑन इट एंड इट केम बैक विदिन 24 आवर्स व्हिच नेवर हैपेंस. हमारी रातों की थोड़ी नींद उड़ गई थी दिन में ही, पर काम हो गया हमारा. वापस आ गया चैनल.
I was horrified. But anyway,
नहीं तो इस
congratulations.
इंटरव्यू को कहाँ डालते हम. थैंक यू रिचा.
Thank you.